Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to import a Salesforce query with Coefficient's new formula builder powered by GPT to create a custom SOQL formula. I'm going to choose Import from Salesforce. Now you are likely familiar with importing data manually through this From Objects and Fields option, where you can choose the object, opportunity, and select custom fields. I'm not going to use this method today. So I'm going to exit, go back, discard. In this video, I'm going to use the custom SOQL query to import my data, and this is where I would type that in. But first, I need to go back and use the formula builder to generate that custom query. I will select GPT Copilot, formula builder, and now I will type in, using common everyday language, the custom query that I want. Now that I've typed it in, I will select Build. And here we go, a custom query prompt built for me. Now I'm going to copy it. Then I will go back and enter that in. So I'm going to go back, and select Import from, just like I did at the beginning, Salesforce, and this time choosing custom SOQL query. And I'm going to paste it in. Enter in an import name and select Import. I will set up the auto refresh to daily at 9 a.m. And there we go, a custom SOQL query generated by the formula builder to import a query from Salesforce.